Hi everyone, welcome to class. I'm not with you today. I'm off with Mrs. Reader's class on a field trip. And so you guys are going to be building bridges today. And I wanted to tell you the directions on what you needed to do today. So let's walk over to our I can statement, or our guiding question, and start there, okay? So if we look here, it says, how can we use the knowledge that we've gained about bridges, what we've learned about bridges so far, how to make them strong and safe and stable, and the engineering design process to make and design strong, stable, and safe bridges? Okay, so that's what you're going to do today. You're going to build bridges that are stable enough for a car to go across, and strong enough to hold some weight, and a barge or a boat has to be able to fit underneath. Okay, remember that's our barge right there. Some of the materials you'll get to use are index cards. You'll be able to use scissors to change the shape of different objects. You can fold objects, you can cut objects, you can tape objects together. You get to use tape. You have some popsicle sticks, string, paper clips, straws, and paper. Just try not to be wasteful. You have this this tape back here too. Try not to be wasteful. Only take what you need. There'll always be more up here that you can come back and get, okay? If you need rulers or anything like that, that works too. You're going to be able to come over here. You're going to need 6 wooden blocks. You're going to need 6, and I'll show you what you need them for. Over here, you can see that we have a bridge set up, and we have 3 blocks on this side, and we have 3 blocks on this side, and you're going to set them up right on the tape, right on the edge of the tape. That's 15 inches, okay? And remember, you can't tape anything to the wooden blocks. If you look here carefully, you'll notice that it's not taped to the wooden blocks on either side. And the reason for that is because you're going to have to take your bridge off, and you're going to have to take it and bring it to where the teacher tells you and save it, just like these ones are. We need to save it for next week because I need to use the wooden blocks for all the other groups. So make sure you have your bridge all taped nice together, and that you can take it off the wooden blocks and bring it to storage so you guys can build and test more next week. Okay, back to the bridge over here. Okay. Look at some of the things you see here. They use string, you can tell, and some straws, and lots of tape, and they look like they have some piers for some strength. So there's some ideas, okay? When it's time to clean up, you got to clean up right away. Somebody's going to take the bridge off the blocks carefully and bring it to where the teacher tells you. Somebody else needs to put all the items that you have left over and your plans, the pink and yellow sheets, back in this baggie and bring it to the teacher as well so we can save it for next week. Make sure you don't put tape or scissors or anything in there because we need those for other classes, okay? Just looking around, you need to make sure that that you're working as a team. That's a huge key. Make sure that you tape the bridges together, like I said, so you can save them for another week. I think that's pretty much it. Have fun building. You'll be building pretty much the entire time. We won't really be testing, so if you think you're done, just find other little ways to make it stronger, more stable, and more safe, okay? So you're going to work in teams. You're going to find a spot to work at, one of the taped off areas where you got 2 pieces of tape. You're going to need the wooden blocks. Somebody's going to go up and get the materials, build, and there's going to be a lot of time for cleanup at the end. All right? So good luck. Have fun.